Planning to explore Trieste without the burden of your luggage? Radical Storage provides a secure and easy solution for storing your bags, so you can enjoy the city freely. In this guide, I'll explain how to deposit your luggage at a storage point in Trieste using Radical Storage, a trusted platform that partners with local businesses like hotels, shops, and cafes to ensure your luggage is stored safely and fully insured. You can find a storage location easily by visiting the official Radical Storage website through the secure link in this guide. Once on the site, simply enter Trieste in the search bar, and you'll be presented with a variety of storage options throughout the city. Choose a location that best suits your plans, whether it's near tourist attractions, transit hubs, or the city center. Select your preferred drop-off and pickup times, then proceed with the secure payment process, knowing that Radical Storage ensures the safety of your transaction. After booking, you'll receive a confirmation with a reference number and directions to your chosen storage point. When you arrive, show the reference to the staff, and they will store your bags securely, allowing you to explore Trieste without any luggage worries. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.